well. So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the tripod stand. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. And here is the unboxing knife. Now I'll open the seal first from, I think it's okay. I'll open the seal from here first. So guys, the seal is now opened, and to cut it from here also. So guys, here and here also, and here is the bill. And let's take out the tripod. Here is our tripod. If you want to buy this, I have given the link in the description. It is only for 369 rupees. I think that is 370 rupees. And here is the empty box. We will keep it aside. And here is our tripod. You can read. Here is the box of it. You can see 3110A. You can read this. 420 grams, 16.8 millimeter, 345 millimeter, and here's the written the heights of it. And let's see what is here. 3 ways, 4-second quick lever lock, rubber grip, and so guys, now let's open it without wasting any further time. So guys, I don't think it's would be of good quality because of the price range. You know, I got this, the mobile stand. Let's see what is more in the box. Nothing is in the box, so we will keep it aside. We'll keep these things aside. And now here is the mobile stand, and let's check out the tripod. And here is a good case for the tripod. And now I'll take it out. So guys, it is of, I think it is of medium quality. It is for 370 rupees. That's why I'm saying. You can see. We'll keep it aside and this, and we will open the tripod stand. You can put your make your YouTube videos by this. And now you can see you have to open these to make it more bigger, like this, and here like this. And you can see here you will clamp your mobile stand. I'll show you how to do this. Or you can just use the camera. Like if you don't want to put your stand, like you can put your camera here. And no, it's not clamping. So guys, I got the way to clamp it. There is like this. You have to push it here and now clamp. You have to just move it towards right, and now it's done. And the tripod stand is ready, I think. Make it more tight and tight, and now it's tight. You can see, you can open this, you can shoot videos, and you can tight this if you want to, and move it like this to make some cinematics or what, you know. Move it like this for the cinematics slowly. And so guys, here is the quality. The quality is pretty good on the price range. I was not expecting that quality. So guys, let me open it. I'll show you. So guys, this is the maximum height of the tripod stand. You can see like this, like you can move it like this. So guys, this is the tripod stand, and this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye.